Introducing Mousr can be like bringing a brand new animal into your home. Every cat will react differently at first, and some may have a longer adjustment period than others. We suggest starting out slowly. If your cat perceives Mousr as a threat, it can be difficult to reverse that perception. Start by attaching a tail to Mousr. Put Mousr on the floor without turning it on, so your cat can sniff and investigate on her own terms. To get your cat used to viewing Mousr as a toy, hold it in your hand and manually get your cat used to playing with the tail attachments like you would with a stick and a string toy. If your cat is still slow to play with Mousr, or even if she's not, try dragging Mousr's tail around corners and behind furniture to play hiding games. Once your cat is used to playing with Mousr's tails, you can try manually driving Mousr with our remote control mode to get your cat used to having Mousr move all on his own. Try going through our in-app tutorial and playing around with the controls yourself first before putting Mousr in front of your cat. Always try to drive away from your cat and avoid driving directly towards her. Cats want to hunt, not be hunted. Using the precise remote control mode will make complex maneuvers and playing hide and seek a lot easier. Now try using the remote control interface to play hiding games with your cat. The on-screen indicator will make it easy to navigate Mousr in the right direction, even when it's hidden from sight. Once your cat is having fun with Mousr when you're behind the controls, you can transition to using Mousr's auto mode. Each auto mode has a variety of settings. We recommend trying the stationary game on the calm setting first, but once your cat is comfortable with Mousr, you can experiment with the different game modes and settings to find the ones she likes best. Have fun, be patient, and experiment. If you're having trouble getting your cat engaged, send us a message at support@petronics.io, and we'd be happy to help out with some personalized play tips.